Hey everybody, I thought you might be interested in keeping chickens, and I just wanted to show you what we have that we're keeping our chickens in, or what we start our chickens in. Now this is a very old, antiquated pen that we made, that this is the last time we're going to be able to use it. We have got to remake one, and we're going to make one way better than this, and when we do, I'll make sure that we show you how that we are going to do that. It's raining, hopefully it won't get too much more loud. We had the hugest thunder and lightning a minute ago, but I wanted to get this in today. So I'm hoping that you will enjoy it. So here are our baby chicks that we got from Murray Hatchery. You can order yours from any hatchery. If you want baby chicks, you can get them from your local co-op. They're about $3 a bird at the local co-op, and they usually order about twice a year. It's really simple to keep these chicks. You just have to have a little bit of pine, sorry about that, y'all, a little bit of pine shavings on the bottom. You've got to have a starter, a chicken starter. You need to have water and a heating lamp. Now, it is hot here in Alabama, and you don't want it where it's real drafty either, but they need to stay at 92 degrees. And the heating lamp, it's a red heating lamp, it will fix you up right until they are ready to just be out without the heating lamp. And when they start getting their fur, like these have theirs, and so they don't need it to be exactly 92 degrees, they're okay. That we've had them for about a week or two. My post office called one morning and they were just waiting at the post office for me. So I was like, okay, I'll be there in just a minute to pick them up. So they came in a little box about this big, went and picked it up and then put them in here, but you'll need to have everything ready when you go pick them up, and you will need to have a coop ready when they are ready to go into the coop. We have a chicken run for them, which is just a long run, 20 by 6, and they just do great in there. And then we have a chicken coop, and you'll need about 3 square feet of land for every chicken. So anyway, I guess I better go inside, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want me to do another one about what to do after this stage is over, I will be glad to do that, and I'll take you for a tour of my chicken coop. Talk to you later. Bye.